Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Matta Technologies start of what is to be, hopefully, a long and prosperous YouTube channel. We've kind of kicked it off. We here at Matta Technologies understand that we cannot get out there amongst the YouTubers and the rest of the world unless we start and finish a project. So originally we had this turboed Barra in that XG ute outside. It was all running. It came to us without the BTR working. We put a Shift Kits Australia transmission controller in it, where it manualised the BTR and allowed us to use it in the XG. And we got that all running. Everything was all sweet. And then I was very fortunate to come across this barn find EB. It is absolutely stunning. It is in perfect condition. The paint is still original. Everything on this car is absolutely original, all the way down to the 6-stacker CD player in it and the smart lock. It is an incredible example of an EB. And for the EB lovers out there, you guys know that they're far and few between, especially in this condition. So of course what we've done at Matta is we've molested it. And we've grabbed the Barra out of the XG and we've chucked it in here. It's got a Haltech Elite 2500 system. It's a BA motor that's been converted to FG. It's got all your FG coil packs. It's got a forward-facing custom plenum on it. It's got fly-by-wire. It's got the throttle pedal in it. It's got all the bells and whistles that it needs to have in order to be a functioning, beautifully driving car, a modern-day engine in an old car. We've been through a series of things. Haltech have been absolutely awesome to work with and deal with this car. We've just got the fuel system hooked up. We have wired in a E85 compatible flex fuel sensor in this car, so whoever chooses to purchase this car, because it will be going up for sale to fund the next build for Matta Technologies, but it has got E85 compatibility, and we will be giving away some beehive, valve springs, and also some E85 bigger injectors, should someone want to go down that road. It's a very simple swap over. It's not hard with the forward-facing plenum and all of the custom gear that we've put on it. It's got turbo smart gear. We've used nothing but the best equipment. We've used AN lines. We haven't stimped on parts going into this build, and we're just about to fire it up. So for anybody out there that loves EB and wants to see a Barra in an EB, feel free to come by the Matta shop, 72 Halifax Drive. We'd love to show it to the world, and we want to do heaps more of this stuff, and the only way we're going to do this stuff is if you guys get behind us and support us. I'll start the car, but I'm not going to take glory or claim for any of the work that's been done on it. It's been done by the none other Ryan Pierce. He's this guy, what a legend. But here goes.
The thermostat. The thermofan's not actually wired in at the moment, but we can still run it.
Yeah. We've got laptop hooked up. We've made sure everything's okay. Do you want to get a shot of the dash so people can see how beautiful and nice the finish is? The interior is just immaculate on this thing. It's beautiful. We all seem to be cranking there.
Yep, all good to go, mate.
We got pretty happy with that. Pretty happy with that. Thanks everybody. Please support us. We're going to be coming to you thick, fast and strong. We want you to get behind us. We're local in Bunbury. We want to bring a lot of cool shit to Bunbury. Please help us do it. Get behind us. Thanks everyone.